Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we draw the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. E. And the next one is F. F for fish. Now we draw G, and the next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw I, and the next one is J. The alphabet of J. Now we draw K, L, M. The alphabet of N, and the next one is O. O for orange. Now we draw P. The next one is Q, the alphabet of Q, and now we draw R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. Now we draw T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Now we draw numbers. First we draw 1, the next one is 2, now we draw 3, and the next one is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the number of 9, and the last one is 10. Today we draw alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel.